my father always had a Yiddish depth to him. It was always really important to him. He always played Yiddish music, played on his clarinet, and spoke Yiddish. My mother didn't. It didn't stop him or anybody else. And he just loved it so much. My father wrote a song for me when I was 16, 15, to begin my act, because I'd never sang on stage. I was trained to be a legit actor. I never thought I would sing or be musical. Lots of folks say boys like me don't know from Yiddishkeit. All we know is football, dances, and the fights. But I've got news for all you folks who think we've gone astray. My heart just bursts with pride at every Jewish holiday. I love Pesach. It's a machaya. I love gefilte fish and matzah brei. Anyway, you got the picture. So that was the number he wrote for me, and the audience was so happy. And I was too. He was a good man. He was a really principled, loving, smart human being. I miss him every day of my life. He was the best influence on me of anybody.